I think it's interesting how our taste buds seem to crave certain desserts based on the time of year. In the spring, we can't wait to make sweets that are lighter and brighter, so we tend to gravitate towards lemon this or lime that. As we move on to summer, everyone's looking for desserts like peach cobbler, as well as ones that are creamsicle inspired. And now that it's fall, we're on a quest to find warm and cozy desserts, like this new cake that's made from a fall favorite, sweet potatoes. After beating together some sugar, eggs, oil, and vanilla, we add some flour that we combined with pumpkin pie spice, baking soda, and just a little salt. Now for the star of this cake, we add in some shredded sweet potatoes, along with chopped walnuts. The sweet potatoes not only give this a rich, nutty taste, but they also make our cake nice and moist. Plus, they're loaded with lots of vitamins and minerals. Now, all we do is bake it off, and once it's cooled, we finish it with a 4-ingredient homemade cream cheese frosting. And if you're wondering if this tastes as good as it looks, well, you can be the judge of that. To get the recipe for our super moist sweet potato cake, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fall favorite way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm.